9th English medium student, subject maths, chapter 15 probability. Namaskar by Suhas Patel. Probability, first we know the definition. Probability of any event is given by ratio of the number of trials in which that event occurs to total number of trials of the experiment. It means, suppose we toss the coins, so we have two possibility: height, head या tail. Okay, so total number suppose head tail, head and tail. Okay, this possibility. So total here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here total 4 possibility. Okay, but we know head so 1 by 4. Okay, so here number of the trials in which event A occurs. Suppose we 2 head, so one occurs here. Total 4, 1 by 4. This is the probability. Okay, now question we start now. Exercise 15.1, question number, start. First I read the question. In a cricket match, a batsman hits a boundary 6 times out of 30 balls. Okay. Exercise 15.1, question 1. Okay, here a batsman hits 6 times given out of 30 balls. Total balls here how many given? 30. Total number of the balls, total balls given 30. 6 times boundary here. Here given 6 times boundary. It means 6. Okay. So here question be given, C does not hit a boundary. जो बाउंड्री नहीं है. ओके, did not hit boundary. It means here 20, here total 30 and 6 boundary. 6 boundary गई हुई है, तो कितनी नहीं गई है? So 30 minus 6, so total 24. Now we want to find the probability of this question. Probability. So let A be the event that okay. Here write down implication. C did not hit a boundary. Okay. So first write down this type of equation. Now probability of A total 30, but here C did not hit a boundary. तो कितने टाइम है? 24 टाइम. Now cut here. 8 3 is 24. 3 times 30. 3 3 cut. Also cut here. 4 2 is 8, 5 2 is 10, so 4 by 5. Okay, this is the question number 1. how many times of boundary hit? Does not boundary. Okay. Now question number 2. Question 2. First I did the question. 1,500 families with 2 children were selected randomly, and the following data were recording. Here data is given here. Here number of the girls in a family here given. Suppose 2 girls, so number of the family 475. This is given. 1 girl, so number of the family 814. No girl, family 211. Okay, this given. Okay, this number of the girls, 2 girl, family 475. 1 girl, family 184. No girl in the family 211. Okay. Now here question be given. Compute the probability of family chosen at randomly having 2 girl. Okay. So first part here. First here, write down here. Let A be the event that, and the question is given, chosen at the randomly having 2 girl. The family chosen. Okay, in the question is given here 8 random having 2 girls. Okay. So what happened? First, probability of A. Total here, how many given total in the question? Total given 1,500 family. So total here 1,500. But here 2 girls has a 457. 475. Now cut here. So first 5 3 5s are 15. 5 also. 5 9s are 45. 2 5 5s are 25. Okay. So what is the answer here? 95 by 300. Also cut by 5. 19 5s are 95. 5 here, 5 6 are 30, 60. So our answer be 16 here. First part, okay. So first part is 19 by 60. This is the answer. First part. Now second part we taken here. First after second. In the question what given here? 1 girl. Okay, same to same. First taken A after B. Let B be the event that, write down the copy, the family okay chosen at random having 1 girl. Okay, this is given. Here question is given only for 1 girl. Okay, so we chosen here. So probability here after B, probability of B total 1500. Here 1 girl is 814. Okay, 814 is given here. So what here? Cut here. So first 2, 750. Okay, because we know 150 half 75. Here 2, 4 2 is 8, 0, 4 7 is 40. So 407 by 750. Okay. Now third part is here. Third part has given no girl, no girl, no one girl. Same to same, let C be the event that copy of the question, the family chosen at random having no girl. Okay, so no girl, how much here given? No girl is given here. So what happened? So first we saw no girl. Okay, so probability of C total 1500, no girl is 211. Okay, this given. So here 211, not this cutting is not possible because here last digit 1, here last digit 0, not possible. Now a question is given also, check whether the sum of this probability is 1. Check whether the sum of this probability is 1. Okay, first check. Check the whether first probability of A, probability of B and probability of C. This probability of A answer here, this 475 by 1550, because we know cutting after this answer, but we prove that this all addition be 1, so we taken this 475 by 1500 plus probability of B, this 814 by 1500, 814 by 1500 plus C 211 by 1500. Okay, now we taken the LCM. So what happened? 1500, 475 plus 814 plus 211. Now addition we taken here. So 1500 addition, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 carry. 7 plus 1 8, 9, 9 plus 1 0, 10, 1 carry. 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 2 15. So this card, so 1. So check all the addition of all the terms B 1 also. Okay. So this type you know that all the probability is always 0 less than equal to 1. Okay, this is the condition. If any probability answer be here necessary 0 less than equal to probability of A, B, C, anyone less than 1. Okay, this is the necessary condition. 0 less than equal to probability A less than equal to 1. It means all the answer of this chapter probability है 0 also या 1 या between all numbers. Okay, this type. Okay, so see properly definition also, formula and exercise 15.1 question number 1 is given here. Okay, and see properly question 1 also, and question 2 how many part? 1 2 3 part also. So what is the our necessary condition you written here, let A be the event that, there is a given the question, you write the question be here, what is given here, so you write in the question, so you getting the answer. Now here we start question number 4. 3 is remaining here. So first write down the question number 3. Okay. First I read the question. Reference to the number 5. Sum of enrich. Remember chapter 14. And find the probability that a student of class was born August. Okay. Here in the question exercise 15.1 and question number 3rd, but here given reference to the sum of number 5. Okay, chapter 14 वो आपको रेफरेंस करना है. उसके अंदर क्या है मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. नंबर ऑफ द टू स्टूडेंट 40 दिस गिवन. What is given? Okay, and also what do you find here? Find the probability that a student, the class was born in August. Okay, it means the number of the student born in August, how much? So write down in the question the number of student born in August is 6. This given in the chapter number 14. Okay, and this question number 5 given. This given, and find out here find the probability that a student of class was born in August. Okay. So we write down this chapter number 14, question number 5 given. So check this. So total number of students 40 given. But in the question only for we find the number of students born in August. August में जो born हुए वो ही लिखना है. तो कितने हैं? 6 है. तो first लिखेंगे let A be the event that. फिर क्या लिखेंगे कि वो कॉपी ऑफ द क्वेश्चन द नंबर ऑफ द स्टूडेंट born in August. Okay, this. So let A be the event that all the question write down this. Let A be the event that after you start. So probability of A, total number of the student is given 40, and number of the student born in August is 6. Cut now. 3 2 is 6, 22 is 40. 3 by 20. Okay. So this type, you know that probability. This chapter is very important. Why? Because this probability chapter come in the standard 10. And this is asking also in the board also. Okay. So and 2 to 4 marks. And your chapter will also 4 marks in your exam. So properly understanding. Okay. And write down the probability also. Okay. All the student understanding definition of the probability and probability of formulas and understanding the question 1, 2 and 3. Okay, Namaskar by the Suhas Patel. Any query, but write down all this sum and give me the WhatsApp photo. Okay, so easy for the understanding. Okay, bye. Namaskar.